Hello everyone, so welcome to my DataJig YouTube channel. So in this video we will learn what is the comparison operator in the SQL. So there are n number of the comparison operator in the SQL. So let's understand one by one. So that is the first operator is there, the equal. So that is called the equal, and second is the not equal, and either we can use this not equal operator or this symbol, this angle bracket, left angle or right angle bracket combination. So we can use any of one of them. Third is that is greater than symbol, and it is the next is the less than symbol, and next is the greater than or equal to, and next is the less than or equal to, and this is the not less than, and this not greater than. So one by one understand with the some simple expression. Now later then we will connect to the how to do on our table. So here I'm opening my workbench. So click on the workbench. Okay, connect to the local instance, provide your password. Okay, so I have opened my workbench. Now I connect to my database. Use college database because I've created on college database. I'm zooming here. Okay, so select and run. So now our college database has been selected. In the colleges I have created a number of the tables. If you are following my video, you will not get any issue while choosing the database. So you have selected the database. Now I will use one existing tables. I have created already one table, that is the employee table. Okay, select star from, provide your table name and run. If you see, this is the structure of the employee ID, employee name, employee city, employee salary, employee phone, and this is the row is available in the employee table. So I'm not going to create again this table. So actually I have already created in this video. Please watch this video number 7. If you see DML command #7, in the video number 7, this video I have created this table. So please watch this video. Okay, all right. So now suppose you have created the tables. Now you see the structure of your table. So now we will do some comparison operator one by one. Select 5 is equal to 10. Okay, now select run. So if you see that 5 is equal to 10, so how this is working? So 5 is equal, you have used equal operator here, 5 equal operator. So 5 is equal to 10, so it is not true. So that's why it is returning 0. 0 means false here. Suppose if you give the 5 here, so now 5 is equal to 5, the condition is satisfied, so it will return true. So in the true, so it will return 1. Okay, select and run. So now it is returning 1 here if that condition is satisfied. So this way means you can use simple expression in the SQL. And let me give more example about, later we connect to the table. So suppose earlier you use 10 here. Suppose you are using not equal operator, 5 not equal to 10. So condition is satisfied, means it is true. So it is true, then it will return 1. So select and run. So it is 1 returning true. And suppose if you use 5 here, so 5 not equal to 5, condition is not satisfied, so it will return false. So false means 0. So 0 here returning. In the same way, you can, if any state, what kind of operand you are using with the operator, if this operand has been evaluated right, then it will return 1, and if operand has not been evaluated correct, then it will return false. It means that 0. So this is the basic terminology in the comparison operator. So let I'm give the some more suppose greater than or less than symbol I use. So suppose let's I check that 5 is greater than uh, 15. So 5 is greater than or equal to 15, condition is not true, so it will return false. False means it will return 0. So run here. So this is a condition evaluator here. So suppose if you are choosing only 5, so 5 is greater than or equal to 5, so 5 is greater than 5 or equal to 5, so this condition is satisfied because 5 is equal to 5 is condition is satisfied, so that's why it will evaluated as a true, it means 1. So this way, suppose if you are here writing 20 and instead of greater than you are choosing less than or 5, 20 is less than or equal to 5, condition is not true. So 20, suppose you have 20 rupees and somebody give 5 rupees, so means you obviously have 20 rupees more. So 20 is less than or equal to 5, condition is not true, so it will return false, means 0. So here the returning 0. You can give alias name as well, anything you want to give. PR suppose I have given. So instead of the this expression, it will give the PR column name. So this way you can relate the comparison operator with the basic mathematics number or the operand with the operator. Okay, so now I will connect to how to do comparison operator in the column and the tables. Okay, so select star from employee table. Okay, run here. So this is the structure of the our ejecting table: employee ID, employee name, employee city, employee salary, employee phone number. Now I will do one by one comparison operator in this employee table. So I will go for equal operator, that is equal operator. Okay, so select uh, suppose I want to filter out which salary is equal to 5,000 or the 6,000. So suppose select, so I am choosing the employee salary column, employee salary column, employee salary is equal to 5,000 from employee table. So which employee salary is 5,000, that row will be written. So let's select and run. Okay, sorry. So means actually I have used one column. So this means one is coming here, means it is satisfied. This person's salary is 1, means this person has a salary only 5,000. 0 means this salary either is less than 5,000 or greater than. So this is the representation. So you can use where class to return the row. So select select employee salary where okay, just copy here, copy. So means this way you can write to filter out the record. So select star. Star means all the column. So select star the from employee where you want to filter out the column employee salary, the employee salary who have the 5,000. So the employee who will have the salary only the 5,000, that row will be written. So select and run here. So now if you see that only the employee ID is 1 and Srikant is the employee, that person had the employee salary only 10,000. So okay, now if you give the here the 60,000, I want to filter out which salary is equal to 60,000. So so only Rahul has a person, so who have the salary is equal to 60,000. So this is the use of the equals operator in the SQL. Now let's move on the not equal. So not equals, you can use this character or this left and right angle bracket. Okay, so let me see the structure of our table. Select star from the employee, select, so I want to not equal operator. So I want to filter out which salary is not equal to 60,000. So you can use here the not equal 60,000. Let's run the query and how the result is come. If you see that the person whose salary is not 60,000, only that row is returning. The person with the 5,000, 6,000, 11,000. So the Rahul who initially, the Rahul was the employee who had salary of the 60,000. That row had been excluded. So this is the use of the not equal operator. You can use this way as well. So the result will be same. Okay, let me comment here to see. Okay, so this is the use of the not equal operator in the SQL. Now move on the greater than. So suppose I want to filter out which salary is, suppose I give one random number, suppose I want to filter out employee whose salary is greater than 50,000. Suppose give the 40,000. Employee salary is, so you use greater than operator here. So select star means all the column from the employee table where you want to filter out. You are filtering out here based on the employee salary. The employee salary which salary is greater than 40,000, return the all the row which salary is greater than 40,000. So let's run here. So only three employee whose salary is greater than 40,000. If you see the Rahul, Shri and Shreya, so three employees here, only salary greater than 40,000, 45, 50, 60. So this is a greater than. Suppose I want to less than operator here, so you can use uh, select stuff from the employee or a column where based on the employee salary you can choose any column name in, not necessary to only employee salary, according to the your requirement on which based on the column you want to filter out. So you are free, you can choose any column according to the problem statement. I want to filter out which employee salary is less than 20,000. Okay, so select and run. So these are the four employee whose salary is 20,000 based on the employee salary column. Shrikant, John, Ram, Riya. So I had that four employee whose salary is the less than 20,000. So this is the use of the uh, means less than operator. Suppose you want to only want a particular column employee. Suppose you want to two column only employee city and employee name. So you can use those two column and run here. So only you not now you will able to see only the employee city, employee name, and instead of you want to see the employee salary, so pass this column as well right here. So run. So employee salary. So this way you can also customize your column name, means what the column names you want to show in the table. So now this is the less than and greater than operator is also completed. Greater than or equal to. So greater than equal to or less than equal to operator, there is a little bit difference compared to the greater than or less than. So if you see that less than, or if I choose here the equal operator, if any person's salary is less than 20,000, or any person have the salary up to 20,000, so this information also be written. So suppose on here, so 20,000, because anybody no have exactly 20,000. If any person hold exactly 20,000, that row also will return. So this is the use of the equal operator with the less than. And in the same way we can use a greater than symbol. If any person has the salary greater than, suppose somebody has a 25,000, 30,000, 50,000. If any employee has a salary exactly 20,000, so that row, the person who has the exactly 20,000 salary, that row will be also written. So this is the use of the greater than or equal to operator. So select so because no person has the exactly 20,000 salary, that row is not coming. If any person has a 20,000 exact 20,000 salary, that row also will return. So this is the use of the greater than equal to operator. Now pseudo means what is the comparison operator, equal, not less, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to. So what can you do for the assignment purpose to practice more? Suppose I'm commenting here. So for the assignment purpose, you can filter out the candidate whose city is Delhi, and whose city is the Bangalore, and because the phone number is the, I think, unique here. And yeah, so one a task you can do from this, filter out the records row which employee city is Bangalore, and the second task is employee, filter out the record which employee city belong to Delhi. So this way you can learn and do more curiosity in this, to learn and explore more and more, do practice along with side. So that's all for this video, and if this video really helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe the channel, share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.